Today, the Weber County Attorney's Office released body camera and dash camera video from a deputy-involved shooting that occurred. December 31st, 2023, a call came into dispatch stating there was a vehicle traveling westbound on the I-84 towards Riverdale Road. The driver was allegedly intoxicated. The caller was tracking the car via an app on his phone while on the call with dispatch. The vehicle fled from deputies when deputies tried to pull the vehicle over. The caller later advised that the suspect was armed with a gun.
911, what's the address and city of your emergency?
So he's getting on to 84 from 89.
Okay.
He's going 84 westbound.
Okay.
The 2011 BMW 335i, blue, no front bumper. He has the plate number T923 Kilo Alpha.
Okay.
The
So
Utah plate.
what's going on in this vehicle?
He's a DUI.
Okay. Do you know that is he driving?
Yes, he grabbed his keys and left my house. He's drunk.
Okay.
He's also a minor. He has 3 other minors with him, and he has alcohol in the car. It helps. He was doing 80 on Riverdale.
Okay. It looks like I
He's
might have
at-
a trooper behind him. So.
He's at 1900 West. He's probably going to be heading south.
Yep. Southbound on. Yep. I do have a trooper behind him.
Perfect.
We'll just wait till make sure they get him pulled over before we.
He is going to run.
Okay. And I did let him know he is going to run.
He's going westbound on 5400.
Westbound on 54.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Looks like he's getting. They're attempting to pull him over now.
Perfect. Like I said, I have his live location if he tries to pull away.
Okay.
He's speeding up. He's running. He's running.
He's running.
70 miles an hour. 1950 West. 5300. He's coming eastbound on 53. Back to 1900 West.
Okay.
He's doing 70 miles an hour on 5300 Riverdale. Yep, he's doing 85
On Riverdale.
on Riverdale. 5300 South Street. 91 miles an hour.
Okay. Yeah, my deputy is trying to follow him. So
107.
107 miles per hour.
Yep, Riverdale Road.
Ran my vehicle on 10-4.
Oh yes, remember it looks like they're in the Lane Bryant parking lot. And then Lane Bryant parking lot.
According to a prepared statement given by the Weber County Sheriff's Office, during the pursuit, the suspect deliberately collided with 2 police vehicles. Law enforcement officers discharged shots at the vehicle. Minor injuries were sustained by law enforcement and the suspect. Everyone has been cleared medically. The suspect is in custody, and there is no further threat to the public. A Glock-style BB gun was found in the vehicle.